Welcome! In this video, we're going to explore how you can easily forward multiple messages from a group on the Telegram app for PC with the latest update. If you've ever received a batch of important messages in a group and wanted to share them all at once, this simple step-by-step guide will help you do exactly that. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once the app is open, head over to the group chat that contains the messages you want to forward. Scroll until you find the first message that you'd like to include. Now, move your cursor over that message and right-click. From the options that appear, click on Select. This step activates the selection mode, which allows you to choose more than one message instead of forwarding them individually. After clicking Select, you'll see that you can now highlight as many messages as you need. Go ahead and click on each message you want to include in your forward. This can be text, images, or even files. Telegram lets you group them all together. Once your messages are selected, look for the Forward option. It usually appears at the top right of the app. Click on it, and Telegram will instantly give you a list of your chats and contacts. Now comes the final step. Choose the chat or person where you want those selected messages to go. One click, and the entire collection will be forwarded at once, keeping the order of the messages intact. And that's it. You've just learned how to forward multiple messages from a Telegram group on the PC app in just a few simple steps. This feature makes it much faster and more efficient whenever you need to share long conversations or grouped content without repeating the process one message at a time. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out the next time you're using Telegram on your computer. It's a real time saver, and once you get used to it, forwarding messages will feel effortless.